There are moments in history when everything goes wrong, and yet something unbelievable happens. In 1970, 3 astronauts went to space on what was supposed to be a routine mission to the moon. But 200,000 miles away from Earth, something exploded. And in that moment, their mission changed from exploration to survival. This is not just a space story. This is the story of how 3 men refused to die. April 11, 1970, at Kennedy Space Center, a massive rocket stands tall against the sky. Inside it, 3 men sit quietly. Jim Lovell, the commander; Fred Hazy, the lunar module pilot; and Jack Swigert, command module pilot. They are about to begin Apollo-13, a mission to land on the moon. Everything has been tested, every system checked, every risk calculated. At least that's what they believe. The countdown begins. 10, 9, 8. Millions of people watch around the world. 3, 2, 1. Ignition. Flames burst from the engines. The ground shakes, and slowly the rocket rises. Apollo-13 is on its way to space. Inside the spacecraft, everything feels normal, almost too normal. 2 days pass. The crew jogs with mission control. They eat, they rest, they observe. Are slowly shrinking into the distance. It feels routine, calm, safe. And then a simple instruction is given. Steer the oxygen tanks. A normal procedure, something they have done many times before. Jack Swigert flips the switch. And then a loud bang. The entire spacecraft shudders. Warning lights flash everywhere. Oxygen pressure dropping fast. Electrical systems falling. Jim Lovell looks out the window and sees something terrifying. Gas leaking into the space. This is no small problem. This is disaster. Then comes the message. Calm, controlled, but unforgettable. Hassan, we had a problem. In that moment, everything changed. Oxygen is life. Without it, they can't breathe. They cannot generate power. They cannot survive. They are over 3,000 kilometers from Earth. No rescue mission can reach them. No backup plane exists. Quiet town. They are alone in the cold, silent vacuum of space. Back on Earth, NASA engineers faces an impossible challenge. They cannot bring the astronauts on directly. So they came up with a risky idea. Shut down the main spacecraft and use the lunar module, not for landing, but as a lifeboat. A machine designed for a short mission must now keep 3 men alive for days. Conditions worsen. The temperature dropped close to freezing. Water is ration. The astronauts grow weak. Their breath becomes visible in the cold air. Every second feels longer than the last. But they don't give up. They can't. A new problem appears. Carbon dioxide levels are rising. Too much CO2 can kill them. The filters don't fit. Square filters around holes. On Earth, engineers scramble, using only the material available in the spacecraft. Plastic bags, tape, cardboard. They create a solution. And somehow it works. They cannot return directly. Instead, they must fly around the moon, using its gravity to slingshot back to Earth. They come closer to the moon, but cannot land. They pass it silently, like visitors who were never meant to stay. The most dangerous part: if the heat shield is damaged, they will burn. Radio blackout begins. 4 minutes pass. 5 minutes. 6 minutes. No signal. Mission control waits in silence. Then a voice, faint but real. They made it. The parachutes open. The capsule lands safely in the ocean, and 3 astronauts survive. Apollo-13 was called a failure, but in truth, it became one of humanity's greatest victories. Because sometimes survival is the greatest success of all.